How to refund items on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So as of 2025, Roblox does not offer direct refunds for most purchases, including clothing, game passes, avatar items, and in-game products. However, there are a few exceptions and workarounds depending on the situation. So Roblox's official refund policy is that Roblox has no refund policy for avatar shop items, clothing, accessories, etc., game passes, developer products, and in-game purchases. All sales are final unless they are confirmed error or unauthorized purchase. So when you can get a refund. So unauthorized purchases such as Robux bought without permission. If someone made purchases on your account without your permission, like a sibling, you can go to Roblox support form, that is roblox.com/support. This will take you to the Contact Us page where you need to enter your contact information such as your username, your first name, your email address, and then confirm your email address in the next box. Go ahead and select the device type and then also select the type of help category and describe your issue in this box. Politely explain the situation. For example, my child made an unauthorized purchase, or my sibling made an unauthorized purchase, or someone hacked into my account and made an unauthorized purchase. So please help me, and submit the request. Robux may offer a one-time refund of Robux if it qualifies. And if there is also a glitched or broken item, if you bought an item that does not work, for example, broken avatar accessory, you can also go to Roblox support again, choose avatar items, an item not working is expected, and describe the issue. Roblox may fix the item or remove it and return your Robux in rare cases. If you accidentally bought the same item twice due to the lag or glitch, you can contact the Roblox support and explain clearly, and they may reverse the duplicate transaction if detected quickly. And if you're wondering, can developers refund items? No, Roblox developers cannot directly refund items, but they can give in-game compensation like coins or boost, and manually refund items if they've set up a custom refund system, which is also rare. So you can check your transactions under My Transactions in the top right corner by tapping on this Roblox icon and then go to My Transactions. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.